Hi, I'm James with Celestial Fire Glass, and today I'm going to show you our half-inch Meridian Blue reflective tempered fire glass. But before I do that, I want to tell you about a problem that's often seen with fire glass products today. This seller packaged their fire glass in a rather flimsy plastic bag. While this keeps packaging costs down for the seller, it doesn't provide adequate protection for the products inside. The result, as you can clearly see here, is that the fire glass gets damaged during shipping and handling and loses much of its luster. Fortunately, Celestial Fire Glass has a solution for this. While it's an added expense and a lot more work for us, we go the extra mile with our packaging to ensure our fire glass arrives at your door with the same brilliant luster and flawless finish as the day we packaged it. First, we place our product in a sturdy, reusable jar. This provides the primary protection for the glass. Then we add another layer of security by cradling the jar in this custom shell made from recycled paper. All of this is held together in an outer carton, giving our fire glass the greatest amount of protection possible. With these measures in place, you know the fire glass you receive will sparkle and shine with maximum intensity. If you want a quick and affordable way to add some dazzle to your outdoor fire pit, our tempered fire glass in Meridian Blue is the way to go. It has a gorgeous sapphire blue color that really catches the eye. It looks so cool contrasted against the golden hues of the flames. Our reflective fire glass is engineered to produce the maximum amount of sparkle possible. We remove sharp edges using a sifting process instead of tumbling to keep the glass surface smooth and shiny. Then we add a mirror backing for even more rich luster. Your fire feature will be the envy of your friends, family, and neighbors. Now I'd like to give you a feel for how much fire glass is in our 10-pound jars. Here I have a standard 24x8 fire pit pan. I'll add enough fire glass to fill the pan and cover the burner. As a rule of thumb, you should plan for your fire glass to have a depth of 1 to 2 inches. You also want to cover the burner with just enough glass so it's no longer visible. There's no need to overdo it and add too much glass. In fact, I recommend you purchase less glass than you think you need, then add a jar or two if needed. With today's fast shipping options, it's much easier to add more fire glass versus having to ship back the excess. As you can see, this burner takes just under 2 jars to fill. Now let's add a bit more flame. This gives you a good idea of how beautiful this fire glass will look in your backyard fire feature. But trust us, it's much more stunning in real life. If you need help determining how much fire glass you need, contact us and we'll be happy to assist. At Celestial Fire Glass, we aren't selling fire glass to last a season. We're selling high quality fire glass to last you many seasons. Buying online today can be risky, so you want to be sure you're dealing with a reputable company that will be there to support you before, during, and after your purchase. Celestial Fire Glass is a US-based brand located in Frederick, Maryland. We're not some anonymous overseas seller who's here today to make a quick sale and then gone tomorrow. We stand confidently behind the products we sell and are here to serve you. Every Celestial Fire Glass product comes with a limited lifetime guarantee, so your purchase is well protected. If you ever have a problem due to a defect in the fire glass, we'll happily replace it at no cost to you. Our customer service team can be easily reached by phone and online Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Have questions about this product or any of our products? Please contact us and we'll get right back to you. We look forward to having you as a customer.